Hello, I'm Rachel Shelby, currently a kindergarten teacher for Union Public Schools in Tulsa, Oklahoma. This presentation is for my Education 5353 graduate course at Southeastern Oklahoma State University. This is Learning Technologies to Bridge the Digital Divide. Abstract. There is a great importance in bridging the digital divide. Closing this gap can help economic quality, social mobility, democracy, and economic growth. Bridging the gap in education can ensure the same learning possibilities for all students regardless of disabilities, socioeconomic status, race, or gender. What is the digital divide? Digital divide is a term that refers to the gap between demographics and regions that have access to modern information and communication technology, and those that do not or have restricted access. Literature review. I've listed my 3 textbooks for this course: E-Learning and Social Media, Education and Citizenship for the Digital 21st Century, The Leader's Guide to 21st Century Education, and Trends and Issues in Instructional Design and Technology. Methods. Discussion board and artifact peer review were used weekly. Discussion questions were posted. We had the opportunity to respond, as well as our peers could respond and we could communicate back and forth. Artifact peer was where we could post any of the presentations or our papers or classroom ideas that we were having, and we got peer review feedback from our classmates. Also, I've listed my artifacts. Artifact 1 was Bridging the Digital Divide Toolbox. This is where we all listed different resources that we could use. Artifact 2, Google Certified Educator, Fundamentals Training. Artifact 3, Bridging the Digital Divide Case Study Paper. Artifact 4, Google Advanced Training Course. Artifact 5, Online Course Creation. Here I used Google Classroom and I created a Classroom Management 101. This is geared towards new teachers and first-time teachers. If veteran teachers would like to join, that would be great as well, but often we do not have the courses that we need in college and for our certification to have the management, so hopefully this could give some bright, fresh ideas for these new teachers. Artifact 7, Google Digital Citizenship and Safety Course. Artifact 8, Google Devices Training for Android tablets and Chromebooks. And my findings. The biggest challenge is in persistent poverty areas. Without investment, there isn't infrastructure. Attention is being paid to policies to improve access in public institutions so that individuals can access ICTs at low or no cost. Measures have been taken to improve access in schools and to improve access for underprivileged groups, disabled and elderly, and for rural, remote, and low-income areas. And there also is a number of internet hosts that's rising rapidly worldwide. Conclusion. There's a greater amount of information and resources available to those with access to the internet. Several solutions have been offered and tried to close the gap, but none that have worked to bridge the digital divide. My references are listed below. And I also have each of my artifacts listed out. Artifact 1 was a digital divide toolbox. I posted this to my ePortfolio on my class website. You can find that at shelbyskindergarten.weebly.com. Artifact 2 was my Google Certified Educator, Units 1 through 13. Artifact 3, Bridging the Digital Divide Case Study Paper. Artifact 4, Google Advanced Training Course, Units 1 through 5. Artifact 5 was the online course creation, which I've listed the Google Classroom website with my class code attached. Artifact 6, Bridging the Digital Divide Presentation. Artifact 7, Google Digital Citizenship Certification, Units 1 through 5. And Artifact 8, Google Devices Training Units 1 through 8. I have enjoyed this class and I wish you all the best of luck. Thank you.